Ah. Today, I'm out here doing a little maintenance on my Torqeedo Travel 1103C outboard. So last season, I put a little notch in the propeller, and I've noticed that there's been a little bit of vibration when I go, up to top speed. And so I bought a replacement propeller from Torqeedo. So this is it right here, and it comes with two washers, a lock nut, and a new shear pin. So I'm going to install all of those today. The first step for this replacement is removing the old propeller with a 17 millimeter deep socket. Ah. Okay, so I've got the propeller off and then the washer and the lock nut. And now I see the culprit. So this is fishing line. All right, to help get this out, I'm going to go ahead and take the shear pin out. So the shear pin is designed to break and protect the propeller from damage if it hits something. And then this washer should come out, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. There we go. So I think I figured out what was causing the vibration, between the little nick in the propeller and then this very large wad of fishing line that was wrapped around the shaft. Yeah, I think that was it. All right, so I've got the new propeller ready, and it comes with a new lock nut and an inner and outer washer and a new shear pin. So now the inner washer, I got it loose, but I can't get it to come off. So I think I'm just going to leave it on there. It's not bent or anything. So I'll just keep this new one as a spare and go ahead and replace the lock nut because the lock nut does have a little bit of wear on it. So just looking at these two propellers, I did notice that they changed the design. So you can see that the pattern inside, the way it's built, is very different. This is the new one, and it looks maybe a little more robust in the centerpiece right here. So it looks like it's a little more, a little beefier. So that's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install the new shear pin. And then the new propeller. And the new washer. And the new lock nut. So I can see that the shear pin is in the slot. So it should just be a matter of tightening. So it's interesting that once this is installed, it looks really different. So the old one, the outer edge here was just flush, and this one has a little groove. And so there's a lot more space right here between the main part of the motor and the propeller. So that's interesting, but it's definitely, it's nice and tight. It's on there. So on these shear pins, I have seen some other Torqeedo owners that complained that they would start to rust. But of course, I'm a freshwater sailor. I'm a lake sailor. So corrosion is not really an issue for me. There's maybe just a little tiny bit of wear on it, but no rust at all. So what I'm thinking I might do is go ahead and carry the old propeller along with the extra parts, the washer, the shear pin, and the locking nut, and just carry those as a spare. As long as I have a 17 millimeter deep socket on the boat, then I'd be able to replace the propeller in case anything ever happens while I'm out sailing. All right, so I've got the new propeller on and she's ready to go. So as always, hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.